Wasn't that cool? Let's watch it again. All right, so I got this piece cut. Let's get it out of there. Aha! So I've lined it up on the hood and clamped it down. And before I mark it, I have to make sure that I'm not cutting it too small. I have to allow for the thickness of the metal here on the overlap because it's sitting on top of the old hood. And there's this flange affair for the windshield that keeps it off even a little more. So I'll make a mark around with a scribe, but I'll cut outside the line